up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of greatness. So go follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. The first thing you're going to do to get started, we're going to go ahead and start separating the hair. So we want to go ahead and separate some hair around the perimeter. Okay, you want to leave like a section in the middle. Okay, it's like so. We want a 360 perimeter. Okay. All right. See, I've separated some hair. Okay. All right. So I've separated the hair. As you can see, I have hair all around the perimeter, and I just have the middle portion here. I'm going to just like twist this a little bit, just so it can be out of the way while I work with the bottom part. Just kind of get this right here out of the way. All right, so I just got it right there out of the way, as you guys can see. I know it looks crazy now. Okay, just so you guys can see, we have locks all around at the bottom, and we also have, okay, so to do this double bun, we're going to go ahead and start creating our bun. We're going to start in the front, okay? We're going to start in the front, and we are just going to start to fold those locks into a bun, just like so. You want to try and make it seamless as possible as we fold under, just like so. All right, and we're going to continue to do that. Folding under, just like so. Move around the head, we're going to continue to do the same thing. So I'm kind of like working toward the back, folding, making a bun. And the looser the better. See how I can manipulate that? It doesn't have to be tight like you're trying to make it tight. So continue to create that bun. Okay. Now we're in the back of the head, and we're continuing to create that bun, and we're going to try and make the hair, the locks, as seamless as possible as we continue to go around, just like so. Folding as we go around. Don't worry about any stragglers at this point, okay? It's going to continue to fold. Okay, so we went all the way around. We're down here in the front. And as you guys can see, we're here in the front. Sorry, I hit the camera. And we're continuing to create that bun. Don't worry about any stragglers right now. See where we meet, where we started. Okay. At this point, we have met where we started. Now we're going to continue, but we're going to tuck. We're going to kind of like lift that up and tuck the hair, the loose end, okay, under the bun, okay? And this is another reason why you don't want it to be tight, okay? So that you will be able to do this step. So we're going to lift that up, just kind of tuck it, just like so. Let's go around the back so you guys can see. So I just kind of tucked it under, just like so. All right, and we have created a bun. All right, don't worry about the stragglers. We will be fixing those. And it looks a little wild now, but we will be fixing those. Tuck that. Once you tuck it, you really just want to like shape it, okay, just like so. I'll turn it around for you, just like so, because you want it to be flat to the head. And for our stragglers, we can go ahead and start to polish our bun, okay. So with the stragglers that we have, we're going to be securing these with a hairpin. This is how we're going to polish our bun. We can tuck them. We want to use as less pins as possible. I'm going to put a pin here, just at the bottom, to secure those stragglers, just like so. We have a straggler here. All right, and we're going to take our pin, secure that straggler. Okay, we kind of push the pin under into the bun, just like so. We're going to continue to go around the bun. Now we're in the back, and as you can see, we have a straggler here, so we're just going to bring that around, just like so. We're going to secure that with a pin. Just like so. Tuck it in. We're going to move around the bun, make sure there are no more stragglers. Okay, we got some work to do here on this side. Okay. See? This is where we tucked the hair. We can just kind of bring it down a little bit if we can. Really shape and polish our bun. See? Just like so. And we do have some stragglers here, so we're going to take a pin. And we're just going to polish up that bun. We're going to stick that pin right here. To secure those stragglers. Okay. Securing those stragglers just like so. And this is the part of the bun where it met. The beginning of the bun met the end of the bun. So we can kind of push this down a little like so. We want to make this as seamless as possible. And we're going to go ahead and put a pin. If we need to. I don't think we need to. But at your own discretion, when you're doing your own hair, you can if you like to. See how I'm manipulating it a little bit. I think I'm going to stick one pin here. Stick one pin there. To kind of make it seamless. Cover that pin, if you will. Okay. Is that a straggler? Okay. Make sure. And there we have it. We have the first bun done. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the second bun. Working with that middle portion that we separated. Right in the middle of that ponytail. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to open up this hair. And this bun is clearly going to be a different size, a smaller bun, but you can definitely make them even. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start to create a bun. Just by twisting the hair around. Okay. Just like so. The same as we did with the bottom portion. Tucking the hair under itself. Just like so. We're going to come around. I'll show you guys as I get to the back. As you can see, we're in the back. This is where the beginning meets the end, and I'm simply twirling it just like so. We're going to lift that up in the same way as the bottom bun. We're going to tuck that under that top portion and possibly pull it over just like so. We're going to continue. All right, and we're going to tuck that under, and it's going to kind of like fold over the top just like so. We're going to tuck that lock all the way under, okay? And we're going to shape our top bun. Okay. The same as we did at the bottom, we just want to kind of press it down because we want our bun to be as seamless as possible. As you can see, we're on the side here, doing the same thing, shaping our bun, okay? Shaping our bun. You can play with it, you can puff it. Once you tuck those locks under the bun and kind of like make it go over, it really just sits. But we do need to add a few pins to secure this. So we're going to continue. I have a straggler here. I'm going to go ahead and secure that straggler that I missed. We're going to continue to shape our bun, and we do want it to be as seamless as possible. You guys can see what I'm doing. Just kind of shaping the bun. I'm going to continue to do that. See how I'm just shaping the bun? Just like so. You see that there, that straggler? I'm going to go ahead and just make these go in the direction of all the other locks. We want this to be seamless. As seamless as possible. Secure that, just like so. And of course, because this hair is red, you can actually see the pin. But if you had black hair, you wouldn't be able to see the pin at all. Okay? Now I've created that second bun. And now we're going to go ahead and secure that. Okay, as you can see, I've created my double bun, and the top bun is a bit smaller than the bottom bun, but you can also create a bun that is the same size if you equally portion the locks. So I'm just going to take a few pins. I'm going to use little pins as possible. And I'm simply going to secure this bun. So I'm going to stick a pin here. I'm going to stick a pin here. Just to secure the bun. Just like so. And I am also going to stick a pin. I'm sorry. I am also going to stick a pin here on this side, and this is where the beginning met the end. I'm just going to secure that right there. Just like so. You can shape your bun, and there you have it, a double. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.